So if you've ever seen one of our videos or if you've seen one of our vans in person, you know our top product is our Airliner cabinets. And now you can custom order your own. Welcome to the Tourig Retail Cabinet Guide. Here, you can call us and put in an order for your own custom Airliner cabinets that come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. They all have a special function and they all have a special place in the van, but you can customize where exactly they go once you get them. And speaking of customizing, it's up to you to decide what to put in it once you get them. Just one example out of many. In this cabinet, we've got helmets, clothing, and food, all in one upper cabinet. On top of just this model, we have other cabinets to go on the upper side of the van, along with our own custom modular galley and rear cabinets for above the wheel wells that can hold water, electricity, and anything else that you need storage-wise. We have an order sheet that's really straightforward and goes through all the different types of specs, sizes, colors that you need exactly for your own van. And once you call us and you're on the phone with Caroline, you can go through the order form step by step to put your order together and get the cabinets that you really need for your own van. Now, why would you need these Airliner cabinets over any type of other storage system? Well, the benefit to these is that they're extremely lightweight compared to wood. They don't creak or make noise when you're moving in your van due to the gas struts in them. They're extremely high quality and very durable, as you can hear from this door. And the best part, they just look really cool. Now, all of our Airliner cabinets that we order and that you'll be ordering come from C-Tech, which is known in the industry by their reputation for making cabinets for NASCAR and beyond. And you can rest easy knowing that once you're on the phone with us and going through the order form, we'll take care of all of your questions because, trust us, we've heard all of them before. So if you're looking to upgrade your own storage system in your van and have it look like a Tourig without all the other amenities that we include in our own custom builds, call us today, put in an order, and get some great cabinets for yourself. We'll see you next video.